Hello and welcome back to another computer sluggish tutorial. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at Firefox Test Pilot. This allows us to test out all the newest features that will be coming to Firefox very soon. And to start off with, we are going to be taking a look at voice fill. Voice fill basically lets us go onto Google or Yahoo or DuckDuckGo search pages, and we can click on the microphone and speak, and it will type in what we say and search for us. I'm going to go ahead now and test out voice fill. If you do want to test out any of these features, then the link to Firefox Test Pilot is in the description below. Once you have enabled voice fill, you will get a little window that pops up telling you a little bit about it. I'm going to go ahead now and go to Google and test it out. As you can see, I am now on Google and we do have a blue microphone icon next to our search text box. If I go ahead and click on that, you can see it's now listening to my voice. You do normally get a little window that pops up in the top left hand corner, which you do need to press allow. And straight away, as you can see, it has detected my voice there. I'm actually going to reset that and just say something different. Netflix. As you can see, it detected my voice and Netflix and it searched it for us, which means it's working absolutely fine. It's a great add-on and I really can't wait until this feature becomes available on Firefox. Now let's take a look at another feature that will be coming to Firefox very soon. Next up we have Notes. I'm going to go ahead and enable Notes now. Basically, Notes allows you to simply add notes to the sidebar of your web browser on Firefox. We will see this pop up in a second as soon as I press add. There it is on the left hand side. Notes adds a simple notepad to your browser sidebar. We built some basic formatting options into Notes. With your feedback, we will add more features. You can get back to the Notes experiment by clicking on the sidebar icon. Let's go ahead now and test it out. As you can see on the left hand side, we've got hello. I can simply type in test. Let's bring that down a bit and let's just type in computer sluggish. We can then change that to bold, italic, and we can put a line through it. We can also change the font size of computer sluggish, like you can see there. Also, if we do go onto another website, if I go onto Google, it still stays on the left hand side. If I close down my notes and go to the top right hand corner and click on show sidebars, as you can see my notes have come up again and it saved all the text I put in there. That's it for Notes. It's pretty much as basic as that, but still really handy. Let's take a look at another feature that will be coming soon. Next up we have Send. Send lets you upload and encrypt large files up to 1 gig to share online. Basically, once you share this file onto Send, you can then share the link to a friend and they can download the file. You can choose how many times you want them to be able to download the file. Let's just go to Send now and check it out. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and drag a file from a desktop onto the web browser. Once it's finished uploading, you will have a window that looks like this. You can change how many times you want the file to be downloaded. For example, if I go on to 5, that means it can be downloaded 5 times, then the file will be deleted. Or it will be deleted in 24 hours. You can also add a password on if you want. For example, I can go 123 and add password. You can also delete the file if you have changed your mind and don't want to share it anymore. This is the link here which you can copy to your clipboard and send to your friends. It really is a cool feature and I can't wait for this to become available. Let's go ahead now and test out another feature. Next up we have Snooze tabs. Snooze tabs helps you focus your attention online, whether you want to remove distractions for now or save something for later. Basically what this does is you can snooze a website and then you can have it display the website on your web browser later on, or for example next week. It's totally up to you. Let's go ahead now and try out Snooze tabs by simply pressing the enable button. Once you've pressed this, you will now have in the top right hand corner a little bell, which you can see there. I'm just going to close that down. We got a little bell icon, and here I can press later today, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, next month, or next open. Pick a date or time. Let's go ahead and press next open, and hopefully if I close down my web browser now and open it up again, I've now opened up my web browser, and straight away, as you can see, it has loaded up the page we wanted it to load on next open for Firefox, which is great. It means it works absolutely fine. I think this feature is great and it will come in handy. For example, if I press next month, it will now open that web page in a month's time. Let's go ahead now and check out another feature. The final feature is actually a really interesting one. This one basically lets you pop out videos on YouTube onto anywhere you want on your screen. Let's go ahead and test this out to see just how good this feature actually is. As you can see here, it says select the icon to start using Min Vid. Play video in the foreground while you continue to browse. Access controls in the frame to adjust volume, play, pause, move the video. You can always give us feedback or disable in the test pilot. Let's go ahead and test this out to see just how good it is. I'm now on my own YouTube channel here, and we do have the icons on the screen on the video. Let's just press this little one here, which has now brung the video out. As you can see, we have got a error there, unfortunately. Let's close this video and just try another video. Let's just click on there, and it's loaded it. As you can see, I can drag this window around, I can change the volumes on it, I can do whatever I want. I can actually even minimize my web browser and still have the video playing on my desktop. That has got to be the coolest feature I have seen in a long time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.